So I'm at Professor Hex's house, and we've been messing around with some of his new stuff that he got. And we have the wheelchair, the lightweight electric wheelchair, kind of together a little bit. At least we're messing with stuff. And we're realizing there's some issues coming up. It's raining outside, so I left the battery in his van because I didn't want it to get messed up because of electrical stuff. But this stuff's fine. Well, basically, I'm going to have to figure out how to connect this pipe onto this because that's the axle. And so we've designed up, or I CAD'd up some stuff on Blender. I have these. We're kind of at a weird, like, I don't know what we say, a crossroads, or just like
yeah, we're pretty much at, I would call it a crossroads. We're trying to put everything together, how we're going to mount it, and, you know, keep it at the optimal weight as well. So in this drawing, you know, we got our motor and gear down for the redone axle, so which will come to reality someday in the near future.
So there's so many ways to go about this, and there's so many possibilities that the thing you do could be wrong. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Oh, speaking of that, this are these little motors, and this I still can't believe that you found these 2400 watt motors, and
190 kilovolt.
I don't think it's 190 kilovolt though. I think that's like 190 kVA or something like that. I don't know, because 190 kilovolt, that'd be totally different. I don't think they make motors for that. There might be like the model number, 190 kVA and 190 kV, but it has like the thing kind of like that.
So these bad boys have a lot of torque. They will. They can take a lot of power, that's for sure.
About 50 amps. 50 amps, that's a lot.
Yeah. And we're going to put them to test.
Yeah.
We're going to see what they can do.
We're probably going to have to gear it down by like 5 to 10 times. Here, I'm going to move the frame off of the... Whoa. So we have this.
What we got here is 12 degrees camber on it.
Yeah.
Which is too much.
It would be great for writing, but not good for making a wheelchair fit into it.
Yeah, you're not going to get through doorways very easy. Stability-wise and writing would be fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because you're just like that.
Turn on a dime, you aren't going to tip over if you're at a high speed. So, that being said, we're going to have to adjust it more to like a 6-degree camber.
Mm-hmm. I think 6 degrees would be a lot better.
Yeah. We're going to play with the camber a little bit.
Oh, guys, I think it's really amazing how these fit into each other. You press this little button in, and this whole thing comes out.
Shabam.
Yeah.
Quick release.
Gonna lean this up against you. That is just amazing. And now the main issue we're having is how to mount this up, have this thing, a motor on each wheel, because, well actually, I'll step back a little bit. You are possibly getting replacements for those other hub motors that you had, right?
Yes. So
yeah.
The other hub motors were sent back to the manufacturer. We're looking to explore using those again, but those are 12 pounds each, so that's 24 pounds. We're going down to 2 pounds, just under 2 pounds per motor.
Yeah.
So we're looking at just under 4 pounds. So you do the math. Which one do you want to odd carry?
Yeah. Plus, these are like so much more powerful.
Oh yeah.
These ones are rated for 14 to 44 volts, so that's pretty wide. Oh, but anyway, so back to these. These are like the pins. I think you got some more in here. Oh, I guess they're all the same. Well, these pins go through the rod like we have.
Axle pins.
Oh, sorry, the axle pins go through the axle housing, and it's just like a socket set by having those two bearings. And that's the main issue, is trying to integrate these wheels into this.
Yeah.
With like being able to move them with a motor without making this like hard to detach. It'd be great if we could just do it once, but it's kind of a headache.
Right. Because you want to keep the axle pins. The idea to be able to quick release your wheels when you need to get in a car or taxi or whatever, and still have a motor on the chair too. So.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, Professor X got this really cool toolbox for us to show you guys. Look at that. Oh, what? The wheels on the back.
Yeah.
I didn't even see that. That is amazing. I was afraid it was going to fall over all this time. Goes to show how much I know. You said that these were for a electric skateboard kit, right?
Yeah, you can. They're actually outrunner motors. They're used in RC or like planes. I don't even know if they use them on drones too.
I bet they would. They might be too big for like most drones, though.
Yeah. You know, anything with flying in the air, weight comes an issue.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Like even those what are they called? The ESCs that you're ordering.
Yeah.
Those things are like so tiny. They've gotten those things down crazy.
And we're bringing the wheelchairs into the 21st century, folks.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Oh, here's a really awesome little joystick that I got from, what do you say, Amazon?
Yeah, I believe I got it off Amazon.
That's just so awesome. So you have two potentiometers, turn, a button. I still think they missed out on a good opportunity by making the button red, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it's like the detonator button or something like that.
The nitro.
Yeah, the nitro. But there's not really anything for me to say after this because we're still kind of stumped as to what exactly we should do. We're making kind of a list, so we might start by making that a 6-degree, camber, sorry.
6-degree camber.
6-degree camber, so we can mount that better. And then possibly making a mechanism to mount it like this. But still, And I guess a third goal would be to start messing with the motors and actually get the motors spinning.
Right.
Like we kind of didn't do with the previous motors. And also figure out how to program them and stuff like that.
Yeah. So,
Well, that's pretty much it, guys.
any ideas? Throw them in the comments.
Yeah, it'd be nice to hear what you guys think. It seems like a couple of the viewers of this series have chimed in that's saying that they might be taking some ideas from this. Well, I'd like to hear some of your guys' ideas if you have any experience with this kind of stuff or deal with wheelchairs a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. See ya!